Hi guys, it's been 3 days since I used the app Cashyy and I already cash out 3 times, meaning I cash out every once a day. I'm active using this app, so if you are interested in using this app, please to the description box below and press on my link for the for referral for this app, because you will earn 25% of my earnings daily. That means even though you don't use this app, you will still get a lot of coins because you get 25% of my earnings. So go check out at my description box below, and at my description box below I will put other legit apps that really I cash out before. If you don't know how to use PayPal, go to my description box below also. I will put the link on how to use PayPal. PayPal is an app where you can buy things online, and most of the earn money online apps and website, they use PayPal to give you the money. I use PayPal to buy stuff on Buy and Shein already, so it's legit, the money can be used. You can also cash out the money from PayPal to your bank account, although there's a bit of transaction fee, but you earn that money for free. So just now I get a new mission, which is play the app, the game Guns of Glory. You don't need to play, just open the game. I will insert the first video on how to use Cashyy at the description box also, so be sure to check it out so that you won't have any trouble using this app. So here's the proof. I go to my PayPal, so I log into the app, and here you can see I have some money inside PayPal. Actually it's more than that because I cash out already and I buy some stuff online. So now I have 149 ringgit and 74 cents. I plan to use that money to buy clothes from Shein, so I will make a video about that later. Here you can see I cash out from Cashyy from at 1st of April, 2nd of April and 3rd of April. Just a few days ago, I have buy something from Buy, which is Red Velvet Monster album. It will reach tomorrow, so I will unbox it tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. I used the money in PayPal to buy that. So that's all from me. Remember to go to my description box below, as you will know more earning money online method, and use my referral code for this Cashyy app, as you will earn 25% of my income daily. I'm always active in this Cashyy app. I'm here, I use the app every day, so you won't have any loss using my referral link. That's all from me. Thank you. Stay tuned for my buy unboxing and Shein buying on Shein, clothes on Shein, and all the apps and website I share to earn money online is legit. If I have used it for most of the app, I've used it for more than 1 year. That's all for me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any other earning money online video or other exciting video. Thank you.